Thus the next part the simple interest bill. The simple interest simply interest on a loan or investment is calculated only on the amount initially invested or loaned. The initially invest पे मिकी amount दिलो principal slab में the simple interest की formula दी PRT by 100 से आने में दूँगा तो P दी principal में R दी rate interest rate में T दी time में the simple interest की formula दी आने में the problem दा कुछ solve पे होचिन first question की कशला में सोचिन Miltum 1200 is lent out at 5% per annum simple interest for 3 years. Find the interest and amount after 3 years. And with the first tiru ganch land pen is 1200 land pen. And with the principal the ganch principal the Miltum 1200 imbel. Miltum 1200 is lent out at the rate the ganch 5% per annum. 5% per annum. Simple interest for time the 3 years. 3 years की दिलो land penula. Then we will find the interest and amount of the 3 years. The 3 years की जब कले simple interest दिखाने चुमो सोचिन the interest की formula दी PRT by 100. Then P दी principal इम्बे 1200 इम्बे R दी rate इम्बे rate दी 5 ततो 5% पे उधर through 5 by 100 0.05 city men 5 jam city go like especially that divided by 100 in now formula nara to the PRT by 100 and with the rate to the 5 jam city that into time the 3 years divided by 100 the PRT by 100 set them the low commission surgeon interesting term 180 the interesting term 180 MB. Find the interest and amount after 3 years. Amount amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal the interest at the amount the amount the 1200 plus 180 therefore amount the term 1380 MB. 3 years की जब खोले amount यानी मिचुज़ नहीं मिलेंगे तो 1380 amount की principal plus simple interest principal plus interest पे होता लो amount आने पे तो नहीं मिल then the formula direct apply भी नहीं जमची में the next question की version a sum of Miltum 700 is lent out at rate of 8% per annum for the first 3 years and 7.5% per annum for the last 2 years. Find total interest at the end of 5 years and the second part the amount at the end of 5 years. The nivel the two version kalimchitiru kalimchilen penisojin the 700 MB and with the principal the 700 pijomela. Principal 700 pe the another version 2 parts divide p to do. The first part na version at interest rate of 8% per annum. For time the 3 years. 3 years की दिलो 8% per annum be lend पे नो. The second part the version at interest rate of 7.5% per annum for last 2 years. Time 2 years की दिलो इम्बेल. हाने वो the total interest कदिबे इम्बे after 5 years 3 years plus 2 years 5 years जो में total interest at the end of 5 years देंगो बे the interest थी PRT by 100. So that direct to the PRT by 100 with the PT 700 into RD 8 into TT 3 years divided by 100. Then the na part na side nalu interest T 168 to null term 168. The na version simple interest is P R T by 100 for the loop. Term 105 to null. Then the first part की कशलब में सोचें find total interest at the end of 5 years. The total interest दी कल मुझे सोचें 3 years ना 168 इम्बे the last 2 years ना 105 इम्बे so total interest यानी नहीं at पे बदलो 200 मिलटम 273 दी interest after 5 years इम्बे the second part की कशलब में सोचें amount at the end of 5 years amount the principal plus interest. So principal the to 700 plus interest the total interest 273 asil. And the 973 amount after 5 years the will term 973 email. Two parts na be that to rate the so be to mola and the mapa formula na to be same be binirain formal chi shewachina the values to substitute be calculate binijam chimbel. The next question given find the rate of interest if the amount after 2 years of simple interest on capital of term 1200 is term 1440. The another amount find the rate of interest if the amount after 2 years time the 2 years at 2 years of simple interest on capital of term 1200 on the principal the 1200 principal 1200 the amount after 2 years comes 1440 null. Find the rate of interest if the amount after 2 years of simple interest on capital of term 1200 is 1440. And the question amount the 1440 time the 2 years principal the 1200 and email the achikash find big searching interest rate defined variable. Interest rate defined variable. Interest rate find being the first amount the principal do. So machi kachi searching the formula amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. The interest titungo wachin p the far side na amount minus principal be amount 1440 minus principal the 1200 therefore interest the constitution will term 240 the interest imbel. The interest anam chivedalu the rate tengo be simple interest is PRT by 100. The simple interest is 240 imbe the principal the 1200 into rate into time the 2 years divided by 100. So anale rate tengi tenlo 240 the 100 numbers to na side na power 240 into 100 divided by 1200 into 2. The rate 10% petenala and the two case na rate interest rate find be interest rate 10% per annum anim chitenula. The next part pe at what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled in 15 years. The simple interest rate defined at what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled. That means the initially principal the p be after 15 years time 15 years the sum will be doubled same after 15 years the amount the hema principal double double means p plus p, so 2p symbol. At what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled hema principal p be after in 15 years ki chapkale ko amount the double hema p be 2p na symbol. And the rate of interest rate of interest first the simple interest the first earlier question na amount minus principal amount 2p minus p, so simple interest p twin the simple interest is PRT by 100. Simple interest p twin principal the p be shay that first another principal the p be shay into rate the r into time the 15 years divided by 100. So rate the jamji side na shabe be p the 100 and so kara nagi side na power p into 100 divided by p into 15. P cancel, So rate the 100 by 15 the fraction mode na so be bochin 2 6 2 by 3 anim chitin email rate the 62 by 3% per annum on the rate email tatugina bochin to shigoptera at what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled say you talu in 15 years so the FEMA principal initially p be midi time 15 years ki jabgale the amount the double jome simela hema p be midi 2 p ku jome simme and the amount 2 p be jodulu the simple interest in betele rate to nimel formula na substitute bebe na simple interest yanım chimbel